Welcome to the Money Headlines YouTube channel, where we discuss finance news, tips, and tricks. Before we get started in today's video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you stay up to date on the latest finance news, tips, and tricks. Also, if you found today's video helpful, please make sure you like the video and leave a comment or question down below. It really helps out the channel, and I'll be sure to check and respond to comments. Now, without further ado, here's today's video. Memorial Day gas prices hit a 10-year inflation-adjusted high. According to AAA, as of May 29th, the national average price for regular gas is $4.61 a gallon. Inflation-adjusted gas prices haven't been this high during Memorial Day weekend since 2012, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration. The all-time high for average inflation-adjusted gas prices was set in June 2008 at $5.38 a gallon. But according to J.P. Morgan, prices could surge another 37% by August, hitting a $6.20 a gallon national average. The price of gas has surged by 30% since Russia's invasion of Ukraine in late February. Today's gasoline price is about 50% higher than last Memorial weekend. This reflects the $116 a barrel oil prices and the fact that refineries are having trouble producing the gas and jet fuel needed right now. Despite prices, AAA estimates that 34.9 million people will travel by car this holiday weekend, up 4.6% from last year. Mortgage rates fall slightly, but give little help to buyers. 30-year mortgage rates have been dropping for a second week in a row, now sitting at about 5.1%. They're still much higher than they were during the 2.95% average years ago, though. Analysts expect mortgage rates to remain the same or go up because of how tight monetary policy is. Fed Chair Powell said the Fed will keep raising rates until they reach their desired goal of reducing inflation. As mortgage rates move higher and the cost of buying a home goes up, more buyers are going to drop out of the market. This will likely slow the pace of home price growth in some markets. According to the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development and the U.S. Census Bureau, new home sales fell by 16.6% in April from March and fell by 26.9% from last April as rates made homes less affordable. Gun Maverick is about to give Tom Cruise his biggest opening ever. A-list celebrity Tom Cruise may have the best opening weekend of his 40-year career. Gun Maverick, the sequel to the 1984 movie Top Gun, debuts this Memorial Day weekend. The film, produced by Paramount Pictures, took in $51.8 million for its opening day and is on track for a $150 million opening over the four-day holiday weekend, which will be the best-grossing debut in Cruise's career, overtaking War of the Worlds, which opened to $64.8 million in 2005. Almost 4,800 U.S. flights have been canceled since Friday, May 27th, with 1,100 more on Sunday morning, according to flight tracking website FlightAware.com. Delta Airlines is most affected by the cancellations, with more than 400 flights canceled on Saturday and Sunday, citing factors such as bad weather, air traffic control, vendor staffing, and increased illness case rates as reasons for the cancellations. Delta said that it will issue travel waivers for those affected this weekend by bad weather in the southeast and northeast. On Thursday, Delta announced it was decreasing its July 1st through August 7 flight schedule, saying they would cut about 100 daily flights mostly in the U.S. and Latin America. Delta expects about 2.5 million customers will be flying during the Memorial Day weekend, which is an increase of 25% from last year. Additionally, JetBlue said it would cut 8 to 10% of its summer schedule, while Alaska Airlines reduced its schedule by about 2% through June. And now for our last news story of the day. Elon Musk plans to open a 24-hour Tesla restaurant in Hollywood. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has submitted his plans to the city of Los Angeles to open a 24-hour Tesla diner in Hollywood that'll feature a 9,300-square-foot two-story space with over 200 indoor and outdoor seats. It will also include a drive-in movie theater with two 45-feet LED movie screens and 28 superchargers. Food will reportedly be delivered to cars. The design will reportedly be futuristic and would replace West Hollywood's Shakey's Pizza. He first tweeted about this idea back in 2018 but submitted the documentation to the city of Los Angeles just this month. And he also tweeted, of course, you can pay in Doge. Thank you for watching today's videos. Did any of these news stories surprise you? Comment below if so. And as always, if you want to see more videos on financial news, tips, and tricks, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed. Thank you.